So we're here with Miss Fury doing a little mole documentary just to see who knows what a mole actually is. So Miss Fury, do you know what a mole is?
In the science terms, I don't think I do. I know all about your mole day.
Well, what do you know about mole day? You know what that's about exactly?
I hear Mr. Park is very excited for mole day, and so are the students, and I see all kinds of cakes and projects from mole day, and I see all the advertising for old mole day up in Mr. Park's room and around the school. But a mole, actually, no, I don't.
Well, a mole is a chemical mass unit. It's defined to be 6.022 times 10 to the 23 molecular atoms, or some other unit. The mass of a mole is the gram formula mass of the substance.
Oh, interesting.
Yeah. So it's not actually like the furry creature or like that gross brown thing on your face. It's a chemical unit.
Okay, well, that's interesting.
Yeah.
We learn something every day. Well, thank you.
No problem. Okay, so I'm here with some random student here today to talk about our mole documentary and Mole Day and what it's all about. So Lauren, do you know anything about what a mole is?
Hi Kristen, I have no idea what a mole is.
What about Mole Day? There's seriously like a lot of hype about it. Do you know what that is?
I think I've heard a few things about it.
Well, what a mole is a chemical mass unit defined by 6.02 times 10 to the 23 molecular atoms, or some other unit. The mass of a mole is the gram formula mass of a substance. And today is Mole Day because 6.02, they said would be like 6:02 p.m. or a.m. on Tuesday, October the 23rd, and October comes from the 10 and the 23 is the 23rd. So mind blown.
It all makes sense.
But anyway, you can keep that, and thanks, Lauren.
Thank you, Kristen.
So here we are with Courtney and Harnum here, and we're just going to talk briefly about what a mole is and Mole Day. So Courtney, do you know anything about a mole?
Well, I know like there's a little furry mole, you know, the little animal with the little star on its nose. And in terms of a science term, it's the chemical formula, which is defined as 6.02 times 10 to the 23 molecular atoms.
Yeah, that's correct.
So.
And what about Mole Day? Like, where did that come from?
I'm not sure where it was actually derived from, but I know that Mr. Park and Murph are all hyped up about it. You know, it's big, big here. There's lots of cookies, there's lots of cake. You know, it's on the 23rd of October, you know, 10:23, and at 6:02 a.m. is when it starts. So.
Yeah, it's awesome. So, how will you be celebrating Mole Day this year?
Well, we did our own project for the Mole Day thing, and you know, we did Iron Mole, you know, Super Mole. He's a superhero who is a mole, so that's how we're celebrating it.
Sounds good. Well, thanks, Courtney, for your time, and that concludes our mole documentary.